How to crop a video in Premiere Pro. Go to Window in the top menu. Make sure Effect Controls are checked. Go to Timeline and select the video you want to crop. In the Effect Controls panel under Motion you will find the new crop option allowing you to crop from left, top, right, bottom. This is the fast easy way of using crop. For a more advanced crop we need to use the crop effect. To do that, let's go back to Window and make sure both Effect Controls and Effects are checked. Open the Effects panel and search for crop. Drag and drop the crop effect onto your video clip. Go to Effect Controls, you'll find the advanced crop options under the crop section. Here, you have the same 4 basic crop controls plus other advanced options. You can use zoom to scale the cropped area to fill the frame. When using zoom, make sure the video is cropped evenly on all sides, otherwise, the image may distort when zoomed in. You can apply edge feather to soften the cropped edges. You can also use masks for cropping. Next to the crop section, you'll find 3 mask options: ellipse, rectangle, and pen for a custom shape. When a mask is applied, the crop is performed inside the mask area. If you want to crop outside the mask instead, enable the inverted option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below.